Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to add Printify to your Shopify store. First, log into your Printify and Shopify store. Once logged into your Printify store, we will go to Add New Store. If this is your first time using Printify, it will take you through the steps to choose your platform once you create an account. From this screen, we will click Shopify, which here we will add our Shopify store URL to the account that we want our Printify on. So enter your URL here and then click Connect. This will send you to your Shopify store where you will be able to add the Printify app to your Shopify store. This is a free app, so all you'll need to do is click Install, which will give it permissions to utilize the account. In Shopify, you want to now log into your Printify account. Once logged in, you should see your Printify dashboard in your Shopify dashboard. This allows you to add products seamlessly into your Shopify store without having to log into Shopify and Printify. So that is how you add Printify to your Shopify store.